Hi and welcome back. We haven't been in the kitchen for a while. Been very busy. So listen carefully. We're going to do something vegetarian, vegan, whatever you want to call it. But there's going to be no meat involved and no meat products. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is veggie burgers or mushroom burgers if you want to call them. Simple, easy and very nice. So look, all you need is 1 or 2 large mushrooms. You need some carbs, bread cakes, whatever you want to call them. A large garlic clove and an avocado. Olive oil and tin foil. So look, it's very important to understand that on my channel I only make good food. No Mickey Mouse food. Simple as that. If you don't know what Mickey Mouse means, I'll explain it to you. Listen. Mickey Mouse means fake. Not good for you. If I say, like, you give me a plastic knife, it's a Mickey Mouse knife. It don't work, right? It don't cut through things. So, Mickey Mouse food means fake food. Like when you go to McDonald's or whatever. I don't eat that junk. And on my channel, we only do good, healthy food. So if you're looking for unhealthy stuff, change the channel. Don't hit the thumbs down because I know people get upset when they don't find what they want on YouTube. It's not my fault. Alright, so let's get to it. Anyway, so let's start with the mushrooms. You've got to start with the mushrooms and the garlic first. So look, the mushrooms, let's get these out of the way. Sides are clean. I don't want to get these monkeys, so move that out. I'm going to add some tin foil. Simple. Put the tin foil down, olive oil, there you go. And now just spray it around a little bit. Make sure the olive oil gets everywhere. Very good. And then cover it. It's that simple. Next one. A little more. There we go. Perfect. Fold it over. 1, 2. That's both done. Easy. I'm going to put these in the oven at 190. And put this pretty warm. So about 370, somewhere around about there. Okay? It's good. Put these straight in the oven. Watch. So look. Open your oven. Place them in upside down or it leaks. And that's it. Now we get to the garlic. So look, we have the garlic, large garlic cloves. Don't get the small ones. You're going to go about 1/4 of the way down and chop all the tops off. Watch. Perfect. Sometimes one comes out. We'll fix that in a moment. Peel. Get all the paper off, whatever you want to call it, the skin. It feels like paper. Just take as much as you can off. Clean it up. There you go, it's coming off. So, you should have something that's left like this. Okay? The one that fell off, it's not a problem. Just peel as much skin off as you can. Place it in. So let's remove this. I need some more tin foil. So look, easy. Olive oil again. You can place that in just like that. You can hold it in, the one that came out, and fold, 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 until you have it wrapped up in tin foil. The good thing about using tin foil is that it keeps it inside and makes it nice and soft. That's why I use it. Very good, especially if you are a meat eater and you're using chicken or anything. Always put it in under tin foil. Makes it much more juicy. So you wrap it up like that. So come with me now. So here we are, garlic straight into the oven. So fantastic. Everything is done. I've sliced my bread cobs in half. I've toasted them. Make sure you toast them. Bread is always better when it's toasted. It's healthier. Okay. My mushrooms are ready. My garlic is ready. My avocado is ready. So look, I would like to think that I don't have to teach everything, but just to make sure, when you take the mushrooms and the garlic out of the oven, use oven gloves because tin foil is going to be very hot. Do I make myself clear? Alright, since I've made myself clear, then you have to wait for it to cool down so your hands don't burn. So give it 5 minutes for the tin foil to cool down, open it up and place it on the side, just like I have here. See? Everything is ready to go. So first of all, we have to deal with the avocado. So look, all you're going to do is take and spread it onto your bread card. Okay, a little more. Excellent. Easy, right? So now we ran into a little bit of a problem today. So this is my first burger, but little did I know when I was recording that the memory card ran out and you didn't see how I spread the garlic. So we have some garlic left, fortunately, but if you didn't see how I did it, all I did was turn the garlic clove upside down, squeeze it with a fork until all the garlic came out, then I separated it. If you do it correctly, there should be no shell inside the garlic. Alright? If you overcook the garlic, it may all crumble. So you have to be a little more careful. But nonetheless, so here is my garlic. Flatten your mushroom a little bit. There you go. Place it in the middle. Actually, I'm going to use a fork. Then I place the garlic in between. And place it on top. And there we go. We've got two very small mushroom burgers. I made two because they're very small. Alright? Come to the dinner table and I'll show you what I'm eating with the burgers. Let's go, let's do it. So here are the dinner table. I've got to go with my burgers, some carrot juice, fresh and remade, and some ginger. The reason why it's a little red is because I made the carrot juice first and then did the ginger separate. to make sure that my carrot juice didn't have any ginger taste to it. So let's just drink to health. Ginger has a good kick, huh? So ginger is important through the day because I'm teaching a lot of classes. Most of you know that I teach JuJutsu, and that's my profession. I'm a brown belt in Valente Brothers, JuJutsu. I'm their representative in England, and I have to keep healthy. Ginger helps keep the pains away from my bones because, especially days like Saturday, I'm teaching from 8 in the morning all the way through till 6 at night. So I can be generally teaching between 9 to 11 classes. Normally I don't teach more than 11 in one day. And if you don't look after yourself, you're going to feel pretty drained by the end of that day. It's a hard day to work. You're teaching children, adults, one after the other constantly. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. How many classes is that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 classes. That's my usual routine. So you have to look after yourself. And if you don't eat the correct foods, you're going to feel drained, you're going to feel tired, and your body's not going to last as long as you want it to last. So make sure that you eat healthy. This is vital. To my students, hopefully I can encourage you guys to try and eat healthier foods. Carrot juice is fantastic. Tastes great. Very refreshing, very sweet. And the burgers, let's see. Definitely has my thumbs up. Fantastic. Now, I've been getting a few comments. Comments, complaints, whichever you want to call it. Chris, I don't have time. Some of your food takes half an hour. I'm sorry, man, but what can I do? You know, you have to put a little bit of effort in. If it takes half an hour, get up earlier in the morning, get your food prepared, take it to work with you or whatever you're doing. Alright, you're gonna prepare the food, maybe ask your wife if she can help you out, or girlfriend. If that's not the case, get a maid or something. I don't know, but you have to put some effort in. It's entirely to you to be organized in life, where it all has busy schedules. If I'm teaching 8 till 6, I make my own food every day, 95% of the time. So if that's the case, how am I getting my food ready? Because I'm prepared. I'm willing to sacrifice a little bit of time to make sure that I'm healthy. As a JuJutsu instructor, you're gonna need it. Okay, if you want to be on those mats until you're 90, like Elio, 95, close to 96, then this is what is required. Take care, guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment. These things help to spread the video. Thumbs up and comments. Also subscribe. Make sure not only do you subscribe, but you hit the bell button next to it. That way you get notified when I bring a new video out. Don't forget to hit the share button as well and share it on your social media, Google Plus I think it's called, whatever. Reddit, whatever you're going on, forums or whatever, share the video and make sure that people see and encourage people to eat healthy. Take care, guys. Have fun.